Suprabhat and good morning to every one of you. I am Principal Dr. A.P. Pandey, who would like to express my views on the auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima. Respectable committee members, dear colleagues, friends, students, well-wishers and gurus. At the outset, I am pleased to extend my best wishes and greetings to all of you on the occasion of Guru Purnima, which is being celebrated today across India. My friends, Guru Purnima is celebrated on the full moon day, that is Purnima, in Hindu month of Ashad, as it is known in Hindu calendar of India. It has fallen this year on 5th July, that is today itself. This is celebrated to mark the birthday of Maharshi Vedavyas, who edited 4 Vedas, wrote 18 Puranas, Mahabharata and Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Dattatreya, who is also known as Datta Guru and considered Guru of Gurus, was disciple of Maharshi Vedavyas. The tradition of celebrating Guru Purnima has been coming down the ages to pay respect to our spiritual gurus and teachers for their devotion, dedication in rendering their invaluable services to society, teaching and educating students and shaping their character and career. In a hierarchical system of society, teachers enjoy highest position and respect from society, as society is indebted to their rich contribution. This is the reason why teachers are equated with God. In Upanishad, a slok is dedicated to teachers saying, Yasya deve parabhaktir yatha deve tatha guru. In English translation, one should worship Guru in the same manner as one worships God. Further, it is a very popular quote about Guru, who is regarded as Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Kabir Das, a most celebrated saint poet of medieval India, has also depicted the glory and praise of Guru. He says, Guru Gobind do khade kake lagu paaye, Balihari Guru aapne Govinda diyo bataye. Here the status, here the position of Guru is higher than that of Gobind, God, because it is Guru who guides the disciple how to reach God and how to realize the existence of God. Besides, literatures and scriptures are full of anecdotes about the praises and glory of teachers, which cannot be much discussed here. As teachers, we should feel proud of the position, the respect and the honor we have in society. Along with respect and status, our duties, our responsibilities towards society also increase, and we should carry on and on them for the growth and development of society. The shining image of teachers in society should be intact, and we should not do anything which tarnish our image and disappoint the society. Let us therefore pledge that as teachers, we shall devote and dedicate ourselves to the best of our capacities and capabilities to build an ideal society and to shape the character of students who will turn out to be the ambassadors of society and lead the world to a greater height. Let us pledge that we shall devote ourselves to the best of our capacities. In the institute, in the college, we have been placed so that its name is taken with great honor, respect, and shine as primary institute to be reckoned with. My friends, let us remember our own teachers and express deep sense of gratitude to them who have contributed significantly, whereby we have been placed to such respectable position as teachers. Once again, I wish you all a happy Guru Purnima and wish a healthy and sound life. Dear friends, at present the world is captured and traumatized by the onslaught of coronavirus. for which we should pray Almighty that the world should come out of this tragedy as early as possible. Let us pray. Sarve bhontu sukhina, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kashid dukbhag bhavet. Everyone should be happy. Everyone should be free from illness, sickness, diseases. Everyone should pray for the happiness, betterment of others. No one should have any kind of suffering in life, any pain in life. Again, wish you all the best and wish you a happy, very happy Guru Purnima. Thank you, all of you, for kind listening. Thank you.